Kasang Trinamal Congress, kaba ang note bagi pajba kin ay ka jingkersan hakari election lingba ki mat treikam jongka, bat ka jingla pan wan ra ki scheme ki bekerpang na kebenta ki longkmi bat ki samla, kalau ong bagi jingtmu jongka kin urlong kumbala penbena. Habakran sikilat patai kubor hadin balawai ke jingalang jongka Pyngrope, Presiden ke TMC uba Charles Pyngrope, ulaong lada ke TMC kamyo ban sensyar marweru, bat lada kan don ha ke sorkar synrop, ki scheme ki bakal penpena menta syuaka election kin urlong.
This is a commitment of ours, it will continue. It is not the members who have enrolled, who have voted only the TMC into power that will benefit. It is the state that benefits. So which political party who is a coalition of the TMC will want to derail this?
Suppose after the election, if your partners disagree about these two schemes.
Well, it is not supposed too much. It is a scheme that is very transparent, that is very clean, and benefiting the entire state, population of the state. So we should not, suppose too much into this.
Why am I asking you this question?
Hakawi kaliang unang ilam ke TMC Legislature Party u Dr. Mukul Sama ulaong ke jing penlong ya ke TMC ban wan ra e ki scheme na kapenta ki samla ke dei na ke jing e ke baki samla ki lai kendo ha ke jing sensyar jong ke sorkar ke balap khamat da ke NPP bat ke bal kersan pat da ke seng na Delhi ke BJP.
What is the take of your party, TMC, when it comes to unemployment problem in the state?
Now, when we talk about our concern as a political party, as people who are elected representatives, we are referring to the concerns of the people of the state. People's concern is our concern. The concern of the youth is a matter of a serious concern for policymakers. And the overall hope that was generated in the preceding years amongst the youth because of the momentum of growth and development and prosperity that the state witnessed in the preceding years. There has been substantial generation of hope among the youth. But as I have said, these were ultimately reduced to hopes which remain unfulfilled. And the result is what? You have seen a youth demonstrating their frustration and anger against this deliberate deprivation of the government of the opportunities that was due to the people. Why I'm saying is this, because the figures are available before the people of the state. The figures are available, the figures pertaining to the jobs which is available. All our preceding governments, successive governments over the years have created jobs even in the government sector. People who have been appointed to fill up those posts have retired, vacancies have arose, and these vacancies are not filled up. And vacancies were supposed to be filled up when the advertisement for recruitments are notified and youth are made to apply. You have seen the result, the end result. How will not the youth start getting frustrated? Years after years of waiting for the opportunity that is already in front of them, which is due for them, and deprivation thereof by none other than by a government in a democracy. Therefore, we know whose intention is what. That's what we have been saying, that their priorities are definitely therefore different. Their priority does not revolve around this crucial issue of unemployment. Therefore, we have embarked upon this huge, challenging task of being analytical about the problems. Wanted to actually understand from the ground zero, from the horse's mouth themselves. The horse's mouth when I'm referring to the people who are affected, the victims. And therefore, what should be the answer? And the answer is that we will create jobs. If we do not create jobs, you will see, lack of order. You will see lawlessness. Let us not allow this to happen. The state has already gone through a turbulent past. Already gone through. And we must understand the magnitude of the problem which will ultimately be before us if we do not take the issue of unemployment head on and come with a resolution. That is the reason why we are making this promise, and I'm sure the people of the state trust us more than anybody else. We are able to create that kind of job opportunities, and we will ensure that the target of providing job for 3 lakh youth in the state of Meghalaya within 5 years will be a promise which will be implemented by the Meghalaya TMC with utmost sense of sincerity, honesty and commitment. This is our promise. We have said that yes, it's a massive challenge to really embark upon this kind of initiative and to give this kind of promise, but we have done our job to know where the jobs can be created, and therefore the commitment, the conviction, the trust and confidence, and we will move ahead with this promise.